break.
Water break?
Are you taking like movies of it? That's good. That's right.
There you go. You got your water. Now you're ready to go. You can do it, Carson. Good job, baby. You got it. You got it. There you go. There you go. How old are you today, Carson? Oh, you're a big boy. It's okay. Carson, gotta be patient. Tips of your feet. There you go.
They're more flexible, your toes are. Push.
Go ahead, Carson. Push.
Carson, don't worry about that.
It
It's
won't
not
hurt.
bugging
It won't
you.
hurt you.
Push,
Carson.
baby.
Don't worry about them and fall off. It's not bugging you. Those are nice.
He
They're
saw
not
some.
bugging
He saw a wasp or something.
you. Carson, it's not going to bother you.
You ready?
It won't bother you, Carson, unless you bother it. Remember?
Come to Mama, honey.
That's it. Push down with your toes. Your toes. With your right foot.
Good job.
You can make a bigger circle, Carson. You can come clear. You can come clear up down here and turn around.
Looks like he's got mange or something.
It does.
But it's not. That's not what it is.
Good job.
I'll tell you that. I got better rest.
The muscles are so sore.
There you go.
A little pushing when I'm trying.
A little pushing. You figured it out.
A little pushing when I'm trying to help.
There you go. So you figured it out all on your own. That's great.
So Mary Liz, if you go to Las Vegas,
Now I don't need to put the brakes on.
You don't?
He goes on the, I think you go on like the